Taribo. Subscribe to Bung Korong Ganiko. Bell icon to Snum Gadabani. I'm Tanambiramo.
I'm so calamani. Kaino sige topics about stop being a monkey. Aduh kumandra. Yung mama nu paham pamaga. Coffee taste bukay. So, mayangi cocktail lady but question mark to. Some talk tringy mamandra. Let's proceed. So friends, ahanba magtada Kanglei Mind Gym meeting tabiri bu khwai kibek tu nama po. Adong gi marup ningthem salam na ikok don na krumjari amadi tanam na okchari. Mayam jungle da umang da yong phabu ubiraba thengna bi be yauraba kamai phage da ne water bottle am lorani haidigo water bottle asidane chana mangal hapchilani bottle sigi maning dhangba saitu do hutoga thori ma kishellani haiba thori sigi other end duna umada kiraga thamani then yong da ani and bottle do gi khugraba makhundu da makhutsi thinjellani chana adubu natraga mangal adubu pairani khutum tasalaga makhutsi lathokna na jingthorakani jingthorakpa matam dari satopa yararoi because nasagi water bottle do gi makhundu yamna khuyeba tinjin matam dari normally tinjin kini adubu satorpa matam dari khutum tarabani na basically it's more bigger now so ma satokpa ngamaroi mangal adubu chana adubu thadok ke haiba okhal khaloi sumaina tawringai talak asida sadan ba aduna natraga miyoi ba aduna yong adubu phabani hairibi yong asa kanamatana phaba nate mamasagi desire mamasagi apamba mamasagi greed mayam duna mabu fahanjabane aduna marupsa ekhuisha asin so hosgi yong dugumani or hosgi yong dumak ne haiso thoina kairoidra haina khale because you know we are also trapped in such a bottle of desires hosgi desire thanbo bottle do aduguma amada aduguma lang amada thuraba yong ne khoiso ekhoina karigumba yong do oiba taragadi ekhoigi damakta hunter duna kanano oiba ekhoigi damakta poacher duna ekhoigi damakta sadam duna kanano oiba it is this world it is this society it is the mentality of the people living in this society and what is the desire inside that bottle in which we are trapped asagi ekhoina thuriba bottle do madugi manung yaur desire duna karam desire no when we ask this question, to random people, 99% of the people will give the answer as, my greatest desire is money, or my greatest desire is fame. Aigi khwaidagi achoba apamba sa paisa ni natragana aigi khwaidagi achoba apamba sa mingchat. Most of the people will answer, fame. Mingchat has the ayam workani I societies the ngasi magtawriba khodimak se kari kita magtaro siga fame ga mingchat ka doctor ta misaki sel lakna bani and thabak to bada ai si toge na khanari ba mayam se kai fame gine mingchat kine and there are also people who will not give any answer to this question because their greatest desire is lust. The most dangerous desire of all. The most dangerous desire of this entire universe. And ekoi punsida ekoi na kedaure. Money, fame. Money, fame, money, fame, money, fame, money, fame, money, fame. What is this shit? I mean, what is this shit? Friends, desire becomes greed. Ngasagi yung duna ne mamasagi desire do the entangled oiraga yamna madu phangda ba yade habi ningai amagloina na changbudagi ma langda thukibane so ekoi gi punsi asi da leiriba desire ma am jang sa hagiba money obi ai fame obi ai masida kayam yam entangled oisilagi habi matamda These days we are forgetting that we are human beings. We have the ability to think. We have the ability to, judge thing whether it is right or wrong. Now, I want to ask a question. Pashana ekoi bu sembra, ekoi na pashabu sembra. ngasai fame mingchat haiba pot aduna aikoi bu sembra aikoina mingchat haiba pot adu sembra paisa thoktrngi mamang da aikoi se hingam da bazala and mingchat phangdaba imamam leina 99% of the people living in this earth moi kaisu mingchat leba natena mingchat leitre moi hekte sibrane just think. So friends, aikoi punsi sigine yamna arni oiba ai greatest desire sine haidro sikang khang ga leiba madugi desire na aibo karamba punsi ge golai amada puraga thadaram gani aibu karamba destination amada pugani ai punsi sina kari oiragani habado madu khantha bida ai desire ni ai lengba otpa yadre ai masidagi lengaroi chapinga lepe haidro lepa sa masi topiba madugi mota study to ba aigi desires na ibu karai phoba pugo tori bnu haibdo khanthaba kana dabo pot orage de thadok pi and lastly but not least akoi greatest desires it is living, it is to survive, it is to live. Sai pasana te fame na te ama na te, it's to live, it's to survive. Masdigen apamba choba apamba amabung leitabane. So friends, keep broadening your mind, keep broadening your perception, you know, get out of this bondage of slavery of desires, and you know, please stay happy. And karigumba igi video asibu khazitang oiragasu kanai haiduna khanbiragadi amadi khazitang oiragasu nusibiragadi suksoi shoidana like nambiyo, comment to kaubigeno, amadi share to basu kaubigeno, aduga subscribe to basu kaubigeno. Thank you.